How leaders motivate others. Nehemiah 2 verses 1 to 20. 13 years after Ezra's arrival in Jerusalem, Nehemiah visited a city that was physically broken and emotionally defeated. The walls lay in ruins, leaving the people exposed, insecure, and discouraged. Previous attempts to rebuild had failed, reinforcing a deep sense of hopelessness. The condition of the walls reflected the condition of the people, vulnerable, passive, and resigned to failure. Nehemiah recognized a critical truth. Without restoration, there could be no security, stability, or national identity. What followed was not just a construction project, but a leadership moment. Despite opposition, ridicule, and threats, the wall was rebuilt in just 52 days. This outcome was not driven by resources or ease, but by success is never a one-man show. Nehemiah knew his reconstruction project would require a team of dedicated, hard-working people who shared his vision. When he arrived in Jerusalem, he found people feeling defeated and apathetic, living among ruins. In recent years, they had attempted to rebuild the walls twice without success. The people had lost all confidence. They concluded, it's impossible. Yet, Nehemiah arrived, and within days it gained the support of the entire city. He formed teams, mobilized them, and completed the wall in 52 days. How did he succeed where others had failed? He understood the principles of motivation, leadership that successfully mobilized people who had previously given up. Nehemiah's leadership demonstrates that motivation is not accidental. It is constructed. A discouraged and passive population became focused and productive because of clear leadership, shared identity, and disciplined execution. The pattern is consistent. When people adopt a mindset to work, wait, and pray, and when leaders provide clarity, honesty, and direction, progress becomes inevitable. Leadership, then, is not about controlling people, but about aligning them around purpose and moving them to act.